morning. Welcome to Quest Bites. I'm your host, Corinne Cahill. Happy Friday. I hope you had a great week. Apologies for not being here yesterday, but since school is out, we are moving Quest Bites to Monday, Wednesday, and Friday because we still need STEM in the summer, and I know you love doing all of these activities, so I thought I'd still stick around for you. But today, we are going to be making some gumdrop, if I can say that word, structures. We'll have gummy bears for me, but it'll work. First, we're gonna play Spot the Quapple. So, here is the picture. There are 5 quapples hidden in here for you to look for. Let me know if you find them. And try and find them myself. These ones are always a little bit more difficult because there's so many colors in the candy store. About 15 seconds left. Let me know if you're here this morning. 10 seconds. Were you able to find any of them? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here is the answer. All 5. Did you find 1? Maybe 2 or 3? Good job if you did. If you didn't, no worries. We'll play again next week. Just be here right at 9:30 so that you have enough time to spot all of the quapples. So today, we are going to be making Gumdrop Towers, and you will need gumdrops and toothpicks, ideally. If you do not, like I did not, I used gummy bears and coffee straws. I cut up coffee straws. Though I found that using coffee straws wasn't that great. If you have toothpicks, that would probably be your best bet. I had skewers I could have cut up, but this is what I had, and I used it, and we'll see what happens. You can also use marshmallows as a substitute for gumdrops or anything really that can be held up by toothpicks. I've seen people use pool noodles if you don't want to play with candy, but who doesn't want to play with candy? What? So this lesson is great because it's super simple and super fun. Plus, we get to eat that creation once we are done with it. So let's grab a piece of paper. Oh no, you've seen what I've tried to create here, but I'm going to try and draw this first. It's good to prepare your drawings before you actually go forward with it. So grab your pencil and paper, and I will try and draw this structure that I wanted to build that you already can see that, well, I didn't build it. I'll tell you about that. So let's start with our sturdy foundation. I'm doing a triangle foundation because it's very sturdy and strong, and it makes those gumdrops, gummy bears, closer together. For drawing purposes, I'm just going to go straight to the roof and draw that. Apologies for my not so great mouse pad drawing. Now let's do that centerpiece. In the real life version, I would have done the base to the middle to the top. And then we'll connect these. This creates a very strong structure. So what did you build? Did you build a bridge, maybe? A dome? Our application engineer, Heather O'Kelly, built this one on the left here. And it's so sturdy that even when I moved it around the office and almost dropped it, it did not fall apart. She really got those coffee straws in there, though it was harder to get the coffee straws into the gummy bears because they're so flexible. And you'll see that in the next video. But really good job there, and it's always great to prep to see if you can really build what you draw or have in your mind. So let's see how I did. I got a little too excited and want to go for height right away when I really should have started with that strong foundation. What would make your structure stronger? Closer together gummy bears and toothpicks. The more toothpicks in there, the better. Now I just put 2 on the bottom and I just went straight up, and that didn't work. So you guys I'm sure you will be a lot smarter than me. Plus, cut up coffee straws aren't always the same length, so that caused some difficulties in the building process, but it was still fun. Of course, you can build whatever you want. More abstract, like a dome, maybe the Leaning Tower of Pisa, which I was obviously going for because I have the leaning down quite well. Or simple shapes, like a really tall square tower. You can see how tall you can go. You can make gumdrop bridges, challenge your siblings and parents to see who can make the most sturdy bridge or structure. But make sure you send me your pictures because I want to see if you were able to do any better than this. Mine's already falling over. I'm sure you can. So that's my challenge for you this weekend, to make sure you can build a better structure than the one. Not in the picture. The picture one's really good, actually. The video one, not so good. But that's okay, because I just kept on going. And there it goes. Tumbles down to the ground. We'll put the instructions in the comments so you can follow along with this lesson. Join us Monday because we are doing the traveling water experiment. Did you know you could get water from one cup to another without having them close together or even on top of each other? I will show you how on Monday's Quest Bite at 9:30. So you'll have to stick around and see that. I also have to let you know about our next Break It with Brandon episode that's airing on our YouTube channel at 10:30. We're testing 3D printed weed whacker blades, and we're going full Fruit Ninja. I know you guys love that game, I'm sure. I really like that game. And we're gonna see if we can cut through this watermelon. A little sneak peek. We did. So you have to watch it on our YouTube channel, Quest Integration. We'll put that link in the comments for you as well so that you can just link right to that and watch it at 10:30. Until next time though, continue onward with your quest for knowledge, and thanks for watching.